For the face, first clean the skin. Then apply at least 6 pumps of the LYMA Active Mist and 3 to 4 pumps of the LYMA Serum. Follow this with your choice of oil or moisturizer to help the laser glide smoothly across the skin. It's easiest to do one side of your face first, followed by the other. Starting under your ear, sweep down along your jawbone towards the center of your chin, gliding the laser slowly across the skin. Repeat each forwards and backwards movement about 5 times. Gradually work your way up the side of the face, repeating each sweep slowly, working your way up towards the eye. There's no need to apply any pressure, just make sure the laser is touching the skin at all times. Alternatively, you can hold the laser still over each area of the skin for a minimum of 3 minutes every day. Next, gently sweep the laser under the eye towards the temple. Again, repeat the movement slowly about 5 times. Target the upper eye area by holding the laser over the brow bone and gently sweeping across the brow. Work your way up from the brow bone over the forehead in gentle sweeping movements. Repeat on the other side of the face. Target lines on the upper lip by slowly sweeping the laser over the top. Then pass the laser across the lip area. For plump, bouncy lips, hold the laser in the center as if kissing it, then sweep across the lips to the corner for best results. Head over to our YouTube channel for a full demonstration.